Chelsea, what do you do next?
You turn the bottle, not, no, get a rag or something.
Okay.
Turn the bottle, not the quote.
Turn the bottle?
Yeah.
This is the sickest song ever, right here. Hold on, I'm gonna find it. Yeah, this is it.
Chuck is so far right now.
Wait.
Put my sunglasses on.
What? On right now? Oh, those Lady Gaga ones?
Come snuggle with me. At your house.
Hold on.
We're in Houston.
It gets so sick.
He's on the balcony. Do you want him? Yeah.